We're going to explore the G major chord in 5 different positions on your ukulele. I'm also going to display the suggested finger for each position, so let's get started. The standard first position G major on your ukulele is this shape. You probably already know this already, but for review's sake, let's get into the fingering. First finger will fret the 3rd string on your 2nd fret. Second finger will fret the 1st string on your 2nd fret also, and your 3rd finger will fret the 2nd string inside the 3rd fret. So this is what this first position, standard G major, very, very easy, straightforward G major open chord. The second position for G major is taking the first position and then adding your 4th finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. And this is what it looks like and sounds like. Because this second position is fretting all the strings, it's kind of a movable chord already. So you might want to consider this shape playing on different keys. Like this is G, for example, right? Now, if you move up 1 fret higher with the same shape, with the same position, it's a G sharp. Now you can play also an A major here, A sharp, and B, using the same shape for the second position of G. Okay? So that's a very helpful chord if you want to play different keys on the same shape. For the third position, we need to move up your first finger on the 5th fret, 1st string. You fret that. Your 3rd finger will fret the 3rd string on the 7th fret. And your pinky, your 4th finger, will fret the 2nd string, also inside the 7th fret. So it will end up like this. For the 4th position, you just simply take the 3rd position and just add your 2nd finger to the 7th fret of the 4th string. And you end up like this. Now we're fretting all the strings now, right? So this is also a movable chord. That means you can move up on different keys. For example, this is G. You move up 1 fret higher, you get a G sharp. You get another fret higher, you get an A. You can also move it backwards. So if this is G, you can move backwards to G flat or F sharp. And there's another F here, down on the 3rd fret, 1st finger on the 3rd fret. Same shape. Okay, so this movable chord you want to consider also studying so you can play different keys on the same shape. For the 5th position, we take our 1st finger all inside the 7th fret and we fret the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. And now you use your pinky, your 4th finger, to fret the 10th fret, and this is what we have. Now this is also a movable chord. Meaning we're fretting all the strings, there's no open strings, so we can move it up and down to change keys. So this is G, we can play G sharp or A, and we can move backwards to G, F sharp or G flat. This is F, this is E. So we can play different chords, E flat and D. So see, so consider studying and try to work on this chord also, because it's very important to be able to move to play sharps or flats if you need to play sharps or flats. Okay, so that is our 5th position G. So as usual, we have a bonus chord. We take our 1st finger and fret 2 strings again, the 1st and 2nd string on the 10th fret, like this. And then we add our 2nd finger on the 11th fret of the 3rd string, like this. And that's the chord already. This is also a G major. You can use the G string, open G string, to play it. There, if you need to play a higher G, if that's required for a song. Anyway, another bonus to the bonus is you can use your 3rd finger to fret the 12th fret. Now it becomes a movable chord. So this, you can play G, G flat, or F sharp, or F, or E flat, or D with this shape, okay? If you have more than 12 frets on your ukulele, it's easier to do because you have some space here. But if your ukulele has only 12 fret, it's still doable. It's a little tougher, but still doable, okay? So this is our bonus chord. Let's try that. So those are the 5 different positions for G major on your ukulele. We have more video tutorials coming soon, so check back on our channel from time to time or consider subscribing so you don't miss new videos from the channel. So I hope this helps you out. I'll see you again in the next lesson.